Hi, my name is Friday. Welcome to my channel. To my subscribers, thank you as always. And to my non-subscribers, subscribe and join the fun. For the first craft, we will start off with one of these. I plan to put packing tape from this rim to this rim and spray the rims and the inside with my black paint. Make sure you buy the paint with the primer. It helps adhere to this better. And I will clean it first with vinegar or alcohol. So after the spray paint is dry, I was going to paint it sage and trace over my letters with a Sharpie. But as you can tell, I do not have a steady hand and it messed up. So I will take this chalk paint off. I don't like it. I thought I would, but maybe white would look cute. But I'm actually loving this just the way this is. This can go anywhere in my house. It can go in my bathroom to put some towels and stuff. But I found this in the bathroom section and I will fill it up with my hand sanitizer. So I will put this in here, add some foliage, some cute embellishments, and call it good. Now, how cute is that? As you can see, I didn't add any flowers in the corner, but I did take these rub-on transfers. Oh my gosh, I love them. I did kind of mess up a little bit, but I'm loving this. Okay, on to the next craft. For this craft, we're going to start off with one of these fish bowls and a candlestick. I know it is best to E6000 them together before you paint them, but with what I'm doing, I need to paint them first, otherwise it's not going to fit. So I will paint them with white, again, paint and primer. I'm going to clean them with alcohol first. Then I will scrape off a little part where they meet so my E6000 will work. Now that my fish bowl and my candle holder stick is dry, I bought this nail polish at Walmart for $1.97. I was trying to find the right green, and this does have a little sparkly, so I'll see how it's going to do. And I'm just going to put a few drops. Let's just do it like this. And I think you know what I'm doing here. I am going to just dip my bowl in, swirl it around, just to get me that effect I'm looking for. Oh, that's pretty. We'll let this dry on this side and then I'll do the other side. I'm not sure if I'll do the candle holder stick. I'm not sure. I want to see what this looks like before I do this. You can see where I messed up there and my nail scratched the paint somewhere. But then I E6000 and then I sprayed it with poly just to protect it. But I love the little design it came out. It's perfect for spring. So I'm just going to add some foliage and some flowers to it and call it good. And there it is. I just love how this came out. I love all the different patterns that the green nail polish created. But I'm loving this. Okay, on to the next craft. For this craft, I was so lucky that David went into the Dollar Tree and bought this. He only needed the rods. It's like, well, I'll take the rings. So I'm going to take the rings and I will spray paint them with metallic gold. After my gold paint is dried, I will stick the small and the large one together and I will hot glue it down on my popsicle stick. We'll cut my popsicle stick because I do want to make like a floral arrangement on this side, and on this one, this will be the top and this will be the bottom. So my popsicle, I will cut it down and put it there just so I can put a pretty bow and some foliage on it. And that project will be done. I'm loving how this came out. Let's see what the other one looks like. And here is the other one. I just made a cute little bow and added some greenery, but I'm loving this. And you probably did notice that on the double one, I did use the two rings, the two bigger ones, and this is the smaller one. I could just hang it anywhere. Okay, on to the next craft. For this project, I'm going to start with one of these cute little crates, and I will use chalk white on my crate. After my paint has thoroughly dried, I will take one of these and put it on one side. I'm not sure, I like this, I like this, I like this, one of those, and put it on here. And after that, I will spray it with a coat of poly to protect it, and voila, there is my springtime coaster. Now, how cute is that? I'm loving these little easy crafts. Okay, until next time, take care of yourself and one another.